Lauren Pumpkin Efford said Mama June will lose another child if she doesn't pay back daughter, Alana, Honey Boo Boo, Thompson $35,000 on Mama June. Family crisis. Hello friends, I'm Mary. Welcome to my channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting videos and updates. Thanks for joining me. During Friday's episode, which was titled Moving Forward, the family continues to move on after Anna Chickadee's death, which occurred in December 2023 at the age of 29 after a battle with adrenal cancer. The issue surrounding Mama June owing Alana back a large sum was pushed to the side as Anna's loved ones mourned and grieved over the loss. However, at one point during the latest episode, Honey Boo Boo revealed to her sister, Lauren, that she needed money to cover rent and college tuition for the upcoming school year. June has been embroiled in drama with her youngest daughter after spending $35,000 of her own money, which was earned when Alana competed on Dancing with the Stars in 2018. During a phone call between Lauren and Alana, the 18-year-old told her older sibling, "I don't really have the money for the rent and school in the fall." And it's like, "Is it too soon to bring up to Mama, you know?" Honey Boo Boo continued. "I think that it's been plenty of time," Lauren replied. "I think that you have a right to ask for your money back. I think that you should tell her what you told me. You have to pay for college and stuff." In a confessional, Lauren expressed, "When Anna was sick, we all agreed as a family, any drama that we had going on, we were gonna push all of that to the side. But now that Anna has passed, it's time for Alana to ask for her money back. Honestly, if Mama doesn't give her the money back, she's going to be stupid, because you've already lost one kid. Why lose another?" The episode jumped back to Lauren and Alana's phone call, with Pumpkin saying now she has to face reality. Honey Boo Boo replied with, "It is something that needs to be talked about," with Lauren adding, "Either she wants to give you your money back or she doesn't. One of the two. She knows she's got the money, like be for real," Alana said. Lauren added, "That's where she's still a piece of." Shortly after Alana and Lauren's conversation, Mama June could be seen at her house she shares with husband Justin. She was planning a special trip to Panama City Beach, Florida for a surprise vow renewal with Justin and to also spread some of Anna's ashes. Earlier in the episode, her ashes were delivered to the family in separate urns and crystals. While Lauren and sister Jessica were enjoying lunch together, Mama June gave Pumpkin a call to reveal the surprise trip news. After June shared that she had planned a trip to Panama Beach for the following weekend, both Lauren and Jessica a bit shocked at the last-minute notice. In another confessional, Lauren said, "Mama these days is so out of touch with reality that it's insane. She wants to fund this entire Florida trip for us to go down and spread Anna's ashes, which I'm okay with. But it's like, you must think that we forgot that you still owe Alana money." Back in the restaurant, Lauren told Jessica that she will probably go on the last-minute getaway. Jessica then asked, "How are you going to get Alana to go?" "I don't know. I mean, she does want to talk to Mama about the whole money situation, so it's like maybe that will be her chance. How long are we gonna drag it on?" Lauren asked. Jessica said, "Mama needs to get her head out of her *** and give her money," with Lauren adding, "It's ridiculous." In a previous episode that aired last month, Mama June took part in a heated argument due to refusing to pay back Alana the $35,000. June and her husband Justin could be seen arguing at Pumpkin's house over June not paying Alana back. While inside the kitchen, he demanded that she give Honey Boo Boo $30,000, which prompted her to ask, "And then what? And then what happens?" Justin yelled back, "It doesn't matter," and later added that she needs to make it right. However, June, who also hasn't contributed to Alana's college tuition, stood her ground about not paying Alana back, causing her husband to storm away. One of the producers then asked her if the $30,000 is her daughter's and should be owed back to her. June heatedly replied, "I legally put the 20% in there. I don't give a F, take me to court," and added that a portion of the $35,000 was spent on Alana. Justin later cut in and said, "But as a parent, that's what you do, June. Whether it's successful or it's not, that's what you do as a parent. You invest in them to a certain extent." Also, during Friday's latest episode, Mama June was notably served papers from Michael, Caitlin's father. June was granted temporary custody over Anna's daughter, Caitlin, 11, following her passing. But Michael served papers to June in order to try to gain custody over Caitlin. Both Mama June and husband Justin also had small arguments throughout the episode, such as June closing up due to dealing with grief over Anna's death. At one point, she could be seen planning the Panama City Beach trip on her phone, and when Justin asked what she was doing, she refused to tell him. In a confessional, Justin said, "Look, I know my wife is blind. But does she really think I'm blind too? And I don't see what is going on. I don't want to think that she is being shady, but who the hell knows anymore?" And at the very end of the episode, she told Justin about the special trip that she had planned to Florida to spend time together as a family and spread some of Anna's ashes. "If it's really for Anna, like I loved Anna. You know, me and Anna got close, so I'm all for it if it's for Anna," Justin said in another confessional. "But if June's objective is to try to take me down there to make me forget about everything that I'm upset about, that's not gonna happen." The ongoing drama within Mama June Shannon's family has captured widespread attention, particularly through the ongoing tension surrounding the $35,000 debt owed by Mama June to her daughter, Lauren Pumpkin Shannon. This conflict stems from both financial and emotional struggles that have deeply affected the family dynamics, and it has become a focal point of the reality show Mama June, Family Crisis. Mama June Shannon first rose to fame with the TV show Here Comes Honey Boo Boo, which centered on her youngest daughter, Alana Honey Boo Boo Thompson. Over the years, the world saw the Shannon family navigate various challenges, including financial instability, addiction issues, and turbulent personal relationships. In 2017, Mama June underwent a dramatic physical transformation, losing a significant amount of weight through surgery and cosmetic procedures. However, this personal change did not lead to stability in other areas of her life, particularly with her relationship with her daughters. The central issue that has caused friction in the family is a debt of $35,000. Lauren Pumpkin Shannon, who has taken on a maternal role for her younger sister Alana, has publicly stated that Mama June owes her this amount, which has caused a massive rift. Lauren is now Alana's primary guardian, a responsibility she took on after Mama June's troubled behavior led to her stepping away from being a full-time parent. Lauren's frustrations have been compounded by Mama June's failure to repay the money. Lauren's position has become increasingly difficult as she juggles her own family obligations while trying to ensure that Alana's best interests are taken care of. The $35,000 debt is symbolic of Mama June's ongoing irresponsibility, further alienating her from her daughters. Lauren has become increasingly vocal in the media about her frustrations, emphasizing that Mama June's refusal to repay the debt is only exacerbating the family's challenges. She has gone so far as to say that if Mama June does not take responsibility for the situation, Lauren may be forced to take further action to protect Alana's future. Lauren's public statements highlight her deep concern for her sister's well-being and her refusal to allow Alana to be put in a harmful or neglectful situation. As Lauren has stated, "I don't want to lose my sister, but if things don't change, I'm not going to allow her to be in a situation where she could be hurt or neglected." This quote reflects the emotional toll the situation has taken on Lauren, who feels both betrayed by her mother and compelled to step in as a protector. At the center of the dispute is Alana Honey Boo Boo Thompson, who has had her life scrutinized since her rise to fame. As she has grown older, Alana has had to deal with her mother's erratic behavior, the pressure of fame, and her own responsibilities in the family. Alana has remained close to Lauren, who has been a stable figure in her life, particularly after Mama June's absence and erratic actions. However, Alana has found herself caught in the middle of the conflict. She has expressed frustration over her mother's inability to fulfill promises and provide the emotional support she needs. The financial disputes and public turmoil have added to the strain on Alana, who already has been under a microscope for much of her life. Mama June's failure to repay the $35,000 has led to widespread public backlash, especially from fans of the family who have long followed their journey. The ongoing drama has significantly affected their reality TV series Mama June, Family Crisis, where viewers have seen the emotional and financial toll that the situation has taken on Lauren, Alana, and Mama June. The family drama, combined with Mama June's erratic behavior and failure to acknowledge her mistakes, has deepened the divide between her and her daughters. The public now views the Shannon family in a different light, questioning Mama June's ability to live up to the responsibilities of motherhood and her commitment to her children's welfare. Mama June has publicly responded to the accusations surrounding the debt, often defending herself by saying that she is working on resolving the situation privately. She has acknowledged some of her past mistakes, but has denied the severity of the issues that her daughters have raised. Mama June's defensiveness and refusal to fully address the financial dispute has only exacerbated the situation. Critics of Mama June believe that she continues to prioritize herself over her family, including her children's needs. Her actions, or lack thereof, have further strained her relationships with Lauren and Alana, leaving her in a precarious position both personally and professionally. The ongoing financial dispute and family tension put the future of the Shannon family in jeopardy. With Lauren continuing to act as a mother figure for Alana, the family dynamic is now one of complex responsibility, with Lauren having to juggle her own family life while ensuring Alana's safety and stability. The financial situation and the deep mistrust between Mama June and her daughters could lead to even more drastic steps being taken, including Lauren potentially seeking full legal custody of Alana. The future of Mama June, Family Crisis, also remains uncertain, as the show's production may be influenced by the family's real-life turmoil. It's unclear whether the show will continue to focus on the family's issues or if it will be altered due to the real-world conflict. The ongoing battle over $35,000 has revealed much deeper issues within the Shannon family, including a lack of accountability, trust, and responsibility. Mama June's strained relationships with her daughters, particularly Lauren, have been exacerbated by her failure to address the debt and take responsibility for her actions. As Lauren continues to stand firm in her role as protector of Alana, the future of their relationships remains uncertain. The family's public struggles, both financial and emotional, will likely continue to make headlines as they navigate their troubled circumstances. Only time will tell if Mama June can repair the damage done to her family or if the rift between them will continue to grow. Anna Cardwell's daughter, Caitlin, has pleaded with the court that she live with her grandmother, just days before the final hearing of Mama June, Shannon's custody battle with the preteen stepfather Michael Cardwell. The U.S. Sun can confirm that Caitlin, 11, the eldest child of June's daughter Anna, who died from adrenal cancer in December at 29 years old, filed a petition on July 9 asking the court to let her reside primarily with her grandmother and not have any visitation with Michael. Advertisement. June, 44, and Michael, 31. Anna's ex-husband, whom she was married to from 2015 to 2017, have been embroiled in a nasty custody war over who would take care of Caitlin after her mother's death. They are scheduled to appear in a courtroom in Wilkinson County, Georgia, next week, where a judge will decide who will have primary custody of Caitlin going forward. Caitlin said in her filing, first reported by the Ashley and obtained by the U.S. Sun, "My name is Caitlin Shannon, and I was born in 2012. I'm currently 11 years of age. I am electing and hereby expressing my desire and intent to reside primarily with my maternal grandmother, June Shannon. I do not wish to have visitation with Michael Cardwell. I am making this affidavit in this election voluntarily and under no duress or compulsion from any person. I have not been promised any benefits or rewards for making this affidavit. I understand that this affidavit will be presented to the judge in the above case of the court's consideration in determining the issue of custody. And I hereby state that this affidavit expresses my current desire and intent in this matter regarding where I desire to primarily reside. I also wish to speak to the judge to enforce court of my wishes. The affidavit concluded. Mama June supported Caitlin's decision and requested an in-camera review from the Department of Family and Children Services on July 10, claiming that Michael abused Caitlin while living under the same roof. Upon information and belief, the Wilkinson County Department of Family and Children Services have filed regarding plaintiff, defendant, and / or the minor child, to wit, Caitlin Shannon, born in 2012, involving records pertaining to child abuse and / or neglect. The court documents read. In January, the Mama June, from Hot to Not star, made the same accusations against Michael, claiming he was physically abusive toward Anna and Caitlin. During his marriage to Anna, plaintiff frequently physically abused Anna and the child, and it would not be in the child's best interest to be in the plaintiff's care and control, June said in her response to Michael's initial petition for custody. In a statement to the U.S. Sun, Michael's attorney said his client firmly denies the accusations. Michael flatly denies any type of abuse of his children or his ex-wife or any other past girlfriend. We will see how June plans to prove this or any other of her supposed truths or allegations, Michael's attorney added. The identity of Caitlin's biological father is unknown. Michael and Anna shared an 8-year-old daughter, Kylie, who Michael claimed in his initial complaint Caitlin would accompany when he had her. However, June alleged those visits happened because Kylie, whom Michael now has full custody of, refused to visit her father unless Caitlin came with her. While Caitlin did sometimes accompany her sibling, the visits were infrequent, June claimed in her filing. Michael also mentioned June and Anna's strained relationship, but June claimed, as far as allegations that June and Anna were not close, Anna did reside with the maternal grandmother from ages 11 through 16 or 17. Outside of one short period of disagreement, the defendant and Anna had a stable parent-child relationship. June also claimed Caitlin regularly spent time with the TV personality growing up, and that Michael had an inconsistent presence in the child's life since at least 2017. In addition, the Mama June, Road to Redemption star, responded to Michael's claims that he funded Caitlin's schooling. June alleged that Michael only paid for 2.5 years of Caitlin's education, and that was in exchange for him not paying child support for Kylie. She also claimed that Anna's widow, Eldridge Toney, whom she married months before her passing, had been Caitlin's only real father figure since her mother and Michael's divorce. June asked the court to deny and dismiss Michael's petition for custody. In a courtroom hearing that has garnered significant attention, 11-year-old Caitlin, the daughter of Anna Cardwell, made a statement expressing her desire to live with her mother, Mama June Shannon, rather than her stepfather, after allegations of abuse surfaced. This marked a pivotal moment in the ongoing legal and family drama involving the Shannon family. Mama June Shannon, star of the reality TV show Here Comes Honey Boo Boo, has long been a controversial figure in the public eye. Her relationship with her daughter Anna Cardwell, as well as Anna's children, has been the subject of scrutiny. In recent years, Mama June's tumultuous relationships and struggles with addiction have made headlines, but it was the recent claims involving Anna's daughter Caitlin that put the spotlight back on the family. Anna Cardwell, now 29, was raised in the public eye with her mother, Mama June, as part of the reality show's popularity. Anna's own history has been marked by strained relationships, particularly with her mother, which has shaped the complex dynamics within the family. Following a period of separation and strained relations, Anna began a family of her own, marrying her husband, who became Caitlin's stepfather. The situation took a darker turn when Anna Cardwell made allegations against her husband, suggesting that he had been abusive toward their daughter Caitlin. These allegations were brought into the public eye through legal channels, and a custody dispute quickly escalated, raising concerns about Caitlin's safety in the home. Caitlin's testimony in court was a crucial moment in the case. The young girl expressed a clear wish to live with Mama June rather than her stepdad, citing concerns about her safety and well-being at her current residence. While Caitlin's request was an emotional one, it underscored the gravity of the accusations and the uncertainty surrounding the home environment. During the court proceedings, Caitlin's voice was heard loud and clear. The 11-year-old spoke up about her fears of being in an abusive household, where she claimed that her stepfather had mistreated her. The court took Caitlin's testimony seriously, as child protection laws demand that the welfare of the child be the primary concern in custody disputes. The decision to allow Caitlin to express her preferences in front of the court was a significant one. It gave the young girl an opportunity to share her concerns directly with the judge, rather than having her voice filtered through the adults involved. This type of direct testimony is not uncommon in high-stakes custody battles, especially where allegations of abuse are involved. Mama June Shannon, though previously involved in various personal issues, seemed to rally in support of her daughter during the proceedings.